Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to use Paysafecard on PlayStation 5. So in order to use Paysafecard on PlayStation 5, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you have to go and log in your PlayStation from a web browser. When you're logged in, then from the home page, you're going to press on the profile icon located in the top right hand side corner. Next, you could go ahead and select Payment Management. As you select Payment Management, you'll be able to find this sort of section. So here you could go ahead and select the funding method. Under it, you could go ahead and find Paysafecard. As you do that, you could go ahead and click on add credit card or debit card, or you could just go ahead and press on Paysafecard. When you do that, you'll be able to see this sort of pop-up menu. So here you could go ahead and read all of these terms and conditions, and accordingly you could go ahead and apply for it. So this is basically how you can use Paysafecard on PlayStation 5. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.